Hello, welcome to this video. This video will show how to turn on an LED at digital pin 10 when read high state at digital pin 2, and turn off LED when read low state at digital pin 2. To make this project, we will use Arduino software to write coding and simulate the project in Proteus. First, write the coding in Arduino software. Define the push button pin number to number 2. Define the LED pin number to number 10. Define push button pin as input, LED pin as output. If statement is used to fulfill the requirement, LED will light up if do not push the push button and do not light up when push the push button. Let LED pin become high if push button pin is high. Let LED pin become low if push button pin is low. The coding is done, so continues to the Proteus design. Design the project in Proteus by follow to this circuit. Click the component mode, search for Arduino, LED, push button, and resistor. Go to terminal mode, choose ground and power. Connect all the component and run it. As we can see, the design is work. LED is light up if do not push the push button. Okay, that all for this video. Stay tuned to the next video.